This is not the first time I met every Obianum say Mahama ne resetting Ghana agenda policy no. Prophetic. This is not the first time. Maybe I won't your first time, but me there. This is the second time I met every Obianum. The Dika Prophet Francis Amoakwata. Edika because Mahama ne resetting Ghana agenda no. Wa amfani keke na prophetic word a ban num na okaye. Ziega ekopie mu ewo United Showbiz on Nana Romeo. Vada du chumuamo. Omunya kopie so na na Ziega edego tumi say Mahama ne resetting Ghana agenda na offer as campaign message no. Prophetic bebo man kon Ghana. It was a Ghana ni nyina. Ghana fo nyina fa party sem to baby. Yen nyina yen support the idea of Mahama. All of us Nana Romeo so abeshen opinion on Ghana Independence Day day His Excellency in his bid to reduce costs now. 1 year nationwide, celebration. Name or yes, small celebration. Our forecourt of the presidency. Aha Penyah Block Media. Message any demo. Over like video, no other room. Over subscribe button and click on the notification icon for latest update. Now better why doing area mama our comment section. Message was I had no share video no sebe unia so ebenya bi ahwe. ATM friend Nana Romeo. Also Ghana about 3 to 4 days ago and celebrity year 68th Independence Day. That is Kwame Nkrumah one mounted the podium, climbed on it, and made this speech as a Ghana is free forever now. Yeah, was 68 years more. As 68 years now, just say Ghana no, we are still facing troubles. We are still passing through a lot. The name of you come no. Any enyai. Na Nana we mo etrim say ono no nte Ghana say. Yes, sorry, yes, ye di Independence Day. Independence by Ghana yewo. 68 years in independence. Still yentimi nya niyama yesa kofa na emefiri obi man so neba. Edotrim say independence me de. Ya twere obuku mu ana yesu ahwa de ba in reality de Ghana ye ni ade be friend independence. We shouldn't even worry ourselves celebrating any day as Independence Day.
Was a multi organizing my BBI kama. But me one of the few people I don't believe in independence celebration. Because I don't believe in it. I don't think say we are independent. Because we are independent, we are no no. Na unhia we are support. So am I on a friend independent nation. Ghana toothpick krano, it depend on obi. O my Ghana nye independent said the hono no. This our celebration in the Bayanki enjoy. They do 6 March na the Bayani aye because ehunhia. Omaya nyame adom yen na wahira yen. Ye all the natural resources wo man mu. Na ye rose nye. Electricity ye problem. Ghana your man bia o senka village bia light any kwan bia kokuru bia so ye wo street light wo. Accra eye oman ni nyina hinkurumpo no. Obi sesi abemu se sum e wo ba bia. Independence na wen. Oman ya deka ya bobosia ya deka ya so ya see independent to the extent say it me sa 1.5 million na nke betim dia ya kwan bi o see jai celebration na nke be even though omana ya de ya take na so but to me no sa sika na ye ko waste the celebration no na nke betim dia top bets akogu hospital baby omana ti say Rwanda okoka independence wo kra de mampanyine de ode be ye o se sa word no kompeso betibi Africa ye ne ye ho abrofuna na da so rule yen indirectly yeti we bibia ye hia bia ya brofu ya bibia ye hia bia ya brofuna bibia nti independence celebration no me ubusame a meka se hu hia because me no kese ya de kadin ndin asese o mampanyin kura adwene ko abefa so a ebetumi etua sa aka no nti hwan ne ye celebrity ama no hwan eye no kura abrofo bedi ye so na ene omuni homko na ya force we do mo help kakran no mo de banana ne de eboaboye ho nti se ehu ni se ya de ye ho a ene ye book mu de but in reality ene ye ho this country cannot function without the help of abrofo no nti still na no mo na mai iska e mai de hwe o mai no nti sa celebration no na kwesi sen okobokina said na oleka no onye politician oye military officer but meet me aka say currently Africa ha upo bi a oye sharp when it comes to governance yes branch no say no we decide say o man nyina uniform kra no wasesa brofo no ye friend say material no omde uniform ko school say Burkina local print and omde uniform amankwala ahia ko school. This is a leader obeka say oye independent na nim debru ni bia so na so wakati no ma be brave with abrofo no nti saa o man no ka kire me say oye independent I believe because the oye nyina kire say odi ne ho onani oso ono ohia bosia bia wo bia o man no kakra no mo na no omo abetumi aboabo no de ahwe mo ho Ghana ye ni ho nti we are not independent say the hunu no just on paper ena ja ye ko school mo kire say 6 March Ghana nya independence ena fan ko si hin but in real life no ye ne ye ho
ye ndi ye hu nti ma ye ni
na ye dia ye den na de no ne ho dia ye den oti wo de ka so ye independent misika wo ho oso two party say ena we independent na nti mimi kwa mi hu a menwa misika wo ho odi bi ko two party
so de ka kafo didi
no kafo didi a udidi say wodwene ho what you say nti media obusame a Ghana yenya 68 years but obi be say 68 years no ene ko sisen
ye ni bibia dey show off
dan dey na ode kire empress kroma nipa bebre wa ho kirem oman we mu omo to omo no eye kakra bi majority ni nyina ho kirem nipa bebre sori anopa omo ntumi di 3 meals a day eye just once what you say nti ye ndi ye ho eye good the oman panyina ye no ye fo ano so wa ya de in fact wa cut cost no ba me mum de obusa me viewer meka say ye be ye kra na 6 March ni duru ha eye holiday enko school ye enko adwuma ye wo fie obi adwene no ho saa celebration ni nyira no to me no ehu hia ye njai na ye nwene ha wa ye betumi ade ye ho ampa na ye yusu ye gold na wo Ghana ha no ye normal nyame de ache ye wo man ni mu no na ya tumi aye normal te se de ne Burkina omo se normal bebro ho mo nkofa wo ba bibiem omo abe make sure so be manufacturing na ye nwene nko saa side no kakra metumi aka no.
This is Nana Romeo. Which is a Ghana, we don't qualify. We don't qualify when we are checking the parameters with which we base on that to declare someone or a state as independent state. Ghana, we don't qualify. We don't. It's away from the Independence Day. Emomoba Abina Basso said, celebration of Timia, no, or reduce the cost, why are there? But or not there. Ghana, we don't have anything. We are dependent. We are not independent. Even that day, the Kwani came. Celebration be our say the two baby. Since I ain't me independent on ourselves, we can't use our own resources to produce something for ourselves. We are not independent. So this is the submission from Nana Romeo. Emuna Nana Ziega eso ebe mubi. Nana Ziega ebe mo chire mu say Mahama kra ne resetting Ghana agenda no. Onye free henefa. Eno chire mu say in fact prophetic. Mahama's resetting Ghana agenda na any head word for 2024 campaign no. Prophetic. I was saying Ghana for we should all come together. Denouncing of our political lenses. Yen come together. Nian supported the idea of JTM because he can take us to the promised land if only we throw our support to him.
Oman Penyah John Dramani Mahama. Sa the reset agenda no diabano. Prophetic. Ushemwe prophetic. Meme dia me yamwa anke nu kwa say ekwoye say NDC fo akwa agenda. Ese se Ghana ni na soap. Ebe nka say NDC fo na de ba enti no. So de bi che. Oba onba be na reset no nko. Because ushe baby o man ye kono a yentie ba kokra. 68 years independence. So ushe baby edu anu baby a how we took off. Anu baby o sisi ana. Which we say is clearly that we are marking time. Because the 65 years, we are calculation. The military junta, they have taken 25 years. And 43 years for the civilian rule. You understand? So the civilian rule, 43 years now. What they compare and maybe what we say, we are better than some countries. But some countries they are better than them. Oh, as I say, your fantasy are better than them. And your countries need you also are better than us. there's no way I say me convince our countries there's some better than us. I don't get it. So resetting agenda no as a so be adi no huram na ye peja Ghana question pempensuo bi Jamaica no what I say ye kati cost no ye money remain baby e wono so that the subsequent government e beba no it will compel them not to spend basa and no maybe a hu here no omoye Jamaica so otimase. So let us move on na ye reset agenda ne say ye Ghana ye dina ya this ye I don't know how to put it but ye dina ya assignment say o mine no as see you move forward as see you move forward if you say so kasi enya 68 years they said na Romeo kasi ono kwa den compare be celebrate we need to celebrate it but it's a shame aya na ye ferry say o man ya enya 68 years since ya me no kasi so wo hwe ade ba ko a oboga na dia the whole world ye de kan ayikuku meboa you lose your first spot for yes for more than over 20 years now. More this year we want to recapture our first spot. Now even the first spot no kwana ya missing no. You lose to Cote d'Ivoire. The abhorrence need keep widening the gap. Amen kophobia no mundia kokoda. They are closing the gap between we and them. I don't want to use this word, but it looks like we are not just marking time, we are failure. China at the cocoa called Belgium, $65,000. Almost first a year at the call Belgium. Say yeah, the call Belgium, a dorsal power. China for invented machine at the book cocoa. And so be far cocoa free Ghana has it. Jamaica what I say. Yeah, higher that's the cocoa the book cocoa. 68 years, young call baby, I am not yet. Belgium for $5.5 billion. Sorry, euros. At the free cocoa production. Cocoa products. Dromede kwa brochie kokoton is about 2.something billion. Je ka kromu ho a omo ankasa omunya. Cocoa no so no ye ho no be fa free hakwese. Ye ya benefit ya cocoa product na affect no is a $234 million dollars. How? Ye second largest cocoa producer, but yentimi pro chocolate me what this country. Cocoa product what's that?
Tobiache.
And I said Tobiache, it's a fact. Online have Ghanaians about 100. How many people they to chocolate? You go to Cote d'Ivoire, Abidjan airport, ubi ya obi a Cote d'Ivoire. Ubi ya na fragrance no, o mashada yama cocoa fragrance no, na awo nim. Jamaica what I say. Oba so much as ha me dua cocoa. And ye nku ha du cocoa ya wa ha yentimi nto. Jamaica what I say. Ese sa no ma we di na no, ye hu say ya market time ache. Si ate ha na Nkrumah President Nkrumah ya industries a opeja bae ni na ya gunu ni na. Se me no ka say public enterprises incur debt.
Obetima chere wa adwene e wo comment section. Nana Romeo Ghana, we don't have any day to be celebrated as Independence Day because we are still dependent. 68 years in independence, we can't use our resources to develop finished goods to serve ourselves. It was the independence. And Nana Ziega so say Mahama and the resetting Ghana agenda a prophetic. We should all come together. Denouncing of our political alliances, throw off your party. We should stop the partisan. You come together and support the idea of Mahama na a good I bet me aboa or my concern Ghana and Koso. Chere wa dwe mame e wo comment section. Aha Penyah blog media.